I want to do a video of this ASR-10. I installed a SCSI2SD. This is a 5.2. I didn't get 6.0. I guarantee you nobody has this set up. Very few people. Because when you take sounds off of the CD-ROMs and put them on an SD with something like Translator or something, most of your banks won't work. Because the way the banks work on this thing, a bank is, you can load a bank and it brings up a demo song and the sounds fly across here. Those don't work off of the CD because the bank files have directions, you know, directory directions of where to grab all of this stuff. And when you move stuff off of a CD-ROM onto an SD card, that path changes. So I had to painstakingly go in. It took 2 days to go in on all of these libraries and change the bank files. That just goes in like that. Click, click. Now I want you to watch how fast this thing boots. Kick it on. If you're familiar with ASRs. Loading system. It's already tuning keyboard. Boom. It's booted up. Back whenever you had a floppy on these, it's just like, beep, beep, beep. It's just sitting there. It took it like 5 minutes to boot up. On this SD card, you got 4 SCSI drives, all on one card. So you have that drive. That is the ASR itself, ID3. You got this drive, you got this drive, and you got this drive. It's kind of like the helicopter effect, you know? You know how if you see a helicopter on frames per second video, it looks like the blades are just going like this? Well, these screens actually pulse so fast, I think, that you can't even tell. So when it gets out of sync with the frames per second, it's like, that's what's going on, dude. The screen ain't doing it. Okay, here's the ASR demo disc, right? Let's enter that. Let's just do blues. Then you hit load instrument. And there's the BB bank. Okay, these are all bank files. Well, how this will work is when you select a bank file, it loads the bank for you. And it also loads the song, the sequence that goes with that bank. So this BB bank, yes. Okay. See how it's loading everything for you? See how fast that is? Now it's loading the song and it's already complete. So it's awesome. So yeah, and then you can play each individual instrument, you know, just like if the bank was loaded. The audience. Where's BB at? BB's on here somewhere. Alright, anyway, it takes a while to get used to the directory structures of this SCSI stuff, man. These are the different, you know, styles. You know, and I don't know where the factory dope loop bank. Let's see what the hell this is. Hit yes. And it's filling the instruments for you. But the gift, the gab, and all that is on here. So that's loaded already. I'm looking for something specifically and not wanting to be on this video for demo songs. All right, CDR3 demos. Let's check this out. Nylon. Groove and Bank. Let's just see what the hell this Groove and Bank is. We got some bigger sounds in this. It's taking it a minute to load. So this Pop Rose would be one that would probably take you like 30 minutes to load on floppies. Oh, just to show you what the SCSI2SD light a flicker when it's reading and writing. Right now it's loading the song and loading, I think, the last instrument. Drum beats. Dude, this better be a good demo, man. Taking this. All right, now it's done. Store demos. Demo banks. There's that gift of gab and all that. You got gift of gab 1, 2. This is like, let's see how long it takes to load gift of gab or whatever. It's probably gonna take it a minute. I've heard this song on, alright, it's done.
Got the gift, coming a gift, now come, gift now. Got the gift, coming a gift, now come.
Kick it.
Gift, yeah. Gift, yeah.
Kick it.
With the ASR-10.
Kick it.
With the ASR-10.
Kick it.
With the ASR-10.
Kick it. Yeah, that's it.
Ensoniq's in the house. Ensoniq's in the house. With the ASR-10.
There you go, man. Well, that is it for now. Thanks for checking the video out, and later.